Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs in medical technology. Today, we're talking about an exciting development in the fight against prostate cancer. The Royal United Hospital in Bath has become the first in the West to perform a non-invasive prostate cancer treatment using high-intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU. HIFU is a groundbreaking approach that targets cancer cells with powerful sound waves. This technique heats and destroys the cancer cells using a special probe, without any incisions or radiation. The result? Minimal damage to surrounding tissue. This remarkable achievement was led by RUH consultant Miss Lucy Simmons, mentored by the world-renowned expert Professor Hashim Ahmed from Imperial College. Together, they've brought this innovative treatment to life. Miss Simmons explains that patients can receive this treatment in just a day. They come in the morning and are home by the afternoon, with recovery times much quicker than standard treatments. What's more, men treated with HIFU are less likely to experience urinary leakage and have better odds of preserving erectile function, a significant improvement over traditional methods. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with prostate cancer, you might be wondering about eligibility for HIFU. The best course of action is to speak to your clinician for a referral. Kara Charles Barks, the hospital's chief executive, has hailed HIFU as a brilliant addition to their patient treatment options. Remember, early detection of prostate cancer is key. Symptoms can be subtle and often resemble normal urinary issues in aging males. For more information on HIFU and prostate cancer treatment, stay informed, stay healthy, and thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical updates.